Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the topic star to delta conversion and a delta to star conversion presented by Dr. N. Nilmadi, Micah College of Engineering. First we see the star to delta conversion before going to see the topic. In an electrical network, the connection of three branches can be done in different forms. However, most commonly used methods are star connection, otherwise delta connection. A star connection can be defined as the three branches of a network can be commonly connected to a mutual point in Y model. Similarly, a delta connection can be defined as three branches of a network are connected in a closed loop in a delta model. In star to delta conversion, the T resistor circuit can be transformed to Y-type circuit to generate an equivalent Y model circuit. The star to delta conversion can be defined as the value of the resistor on any one side of the delta network and the addition of all the two resistor product combination in the star network circuit separate with the star resistor, which is placed slightly opposite to the delta resistor being found. This is the formula for star to delta conversion. In star, the resistance values RA, RB, RC. In delta connection, the resistance values RAB, RBC and RCA. The formula for RAB is equal to RA, RB plus RB, RC plus RC, RA divided by RC. Similarly, the formula for RBC and the formula for RCA. Next, we see the delta to star conversion. In delta to star conversion, the resistance values RAB, RBC and RCA. This delta resistance is converted into the star. The star resistance value is RA, RB and RC. In delta to star conversion, the delta resistor circuit can be transformed to Y-type circuit to generate an equivalent Y model circuit. For this, we require to derive the conversion formula for computing for the different resistor to every other among the different terminals. The formula for the star resistance RA is equal to RAB into RAC divided by RAB plus RBC plus RCA. Similarly, the formula for RB and RC. Let's see the one problem. In the Wheatstone bridge of figure, find the effective resistance between PQ. Find the current supplied by a 10 volt battery connected to circuit. In the circuit, we have what is the value of the current. The supply voltage is 10 volt. I is equal to V by R. We know the V value 10 volt. We must find the equivalent resistance value. First, we convert the 5 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm. This delta connection converted into the star connection. So RAB is equal to 5 ohm, RBC is equal to 3 ohm and RCA is equal to 2 ohm. This delta is converted into the star. We know the formula for star connection. RA is equal to RAB into RAC divided by RAB plus RBC plus RCA. So substitute the value, we get the answer 1 ohm. And the RB equal to 1.5 ohm, RC is equal to 0.6 ohm. So we replace the diagram delta into star. The diagram is like that. Now 1.5 ohm resistor and 1.5 ohm resistors are connected in series and 0.6 and 0.4 ohm resistors are connected in series. So we know the series resistance formula R1 plus R2, we get the 3 ohm and 1 ohm. So finally we redraw the diagram. Now the 3 ohm and 1 ohms are connected in parallel. We know the parallel formula R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. We get the answer 0.75. Now the current supplied by the battery I is equal to V by R. So the answer is I is equal to 4 ohm. Next, transform a set of identical resistor connected in delta to star and star to delta. Here the resistance value is identical, means this all the resistance value is equal one. First we convert the delta to star connection. So in this sum, RAB equal to RBC equal to RCA, value is R. So the RB equal to RC, RA equal to RB equal to RC. We know the formula. Substitute all the value in R. So we get R by 3. In star to delta connection, RA equal to RB equal to RC is equal to R. So RAB equal to RBC is equal to RCA. We substitute the value and get the answer 3R. And the next problem, in figure, find the effective resistance between P and Q by star delta conversion. In this problem, first we redraw the diagram. This 10 ohm, 40 ohm and 20 ohms are connected in. It's a star connection. This is a 10 ohm, this is a 40 ohm and so 20 ohm. So connected in the star. So we redraw the diagram like that. Okay. Converting this 10 ohm, 20 ohm, 40 ohm star connection into the delta connection. So here RA equal to 10 ohm, RB equal to 20 ohm and RC is equal to 40 ohm. So convert this value into delta connection. RAB is equal to 35 ohm, RBC is equal to 140 ohm and RCA is equal to 70 ohm. So we redraw the diagram like that. In this diagram, 70 ohms are connected in parallel, 140 ohms are connected in parallel and the 35 ohms are connected in parallel. So we get the answer 35 ohm, 70 ohm and 17.5 ohm. In this connection, 35 ohm, 70 ohms are connected in series. We get the answer 105. Again 17.5 ohm and 105 ohms are connected in parallel. We get the answer. The resistance between the PQ is 15 ohm. Next one, in the circuit of figure, 6 resistors are connected to form delta to star. Find the effective resistance between A and B and A and Y. In this problem, A and N is a homework one. First, we calculate the equivalent resistance between A and B. In this problem, convert the star connector resistor 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohms converted into the delta. We know the delta formula. So, substitute values in this formula. We get the answer RAB is equal to 6 ohm, RBC is equal to 12 ohm and RC is equal to 18 ohm. So redraw the diagram. In this 6 ohm, 6 ohm, 18 ohm and 9 ohm, 12 ohm, 12 ohms are connected in parallel. We get the answer 3 ohm, 6 ohm and 6 ohm. In this problem, 6 ohm, 6 ohms are connected in series in parallel with the 3 ohm. We get the resistance value RAB is equal to 2.4 ohm. Thank you.